So there are 1,001 jump ropes to choose from. That's only a slight exaggeration. Which one are you going to pick? And why? That's the subject of this video. We have Shana Brady from Punk Rope holding her go-to rope, and I'm Tim Haft, the creator of Punk Rope. So lots of factors, guys, as far as leading to which rope you're going to pick. The rope Shana's holding right now is a 5mm rope. That's the rope itself, and yeah, she might come closer to the camera at certain points. Those handles are about 5.5 inches, I believe, and it's PVC, the rope itself. The handles are unbreakable plastic. And if she just shows you the inside of the rope, you'll see there's an adjustment mechanism called a snap lock, which allows you to shorten the rope. And if you're pretty nifty with it, you can leave some slack and lengthen it as well. So this is a rope that's less than $10. Why would you pick this? Well, it's a good all-purpose rope. It has enough weight that you can sense it over your head. It's durable enough that you can use it on hard surfaces. We happen to be on a rubber surface right now. It's fast enough that you could do 120 double unders in a minute. And just very, very versatile, inexpensive. So some of the things you're going to consider: budget, right? If you're on a tight budget, you don't want to be spending a fortune on a rope, or you can. That's not even an option. What surface are you using the rope on? So if Shana grabs her cable rope, which has awesome speed, and there's a bazillion cable ropes out there, from Cross Rope to Rogue to RX. This is one that we picked up from a company in Korea, and I think it even has my name engraved on it. Whoa, check that out. I don't know if you can even see that, or maybe it doesn't. Yeah, there it is at the bottom. Yeah, it's hard to see. I'm gonna just stick this right. Yeah, you can't really see it. It says Tim. Anyway, super fast, right? Fantastic for speed jumping or double unders, and Shana's going to back up just a tiny bit. By now you know our videos are pretty casual. Low production value. We've got dogs, we've got everything. Anyway, there you go. Super fast, but no good on asphalt or cement, because it'll get chewed to pieces and then you'll have to replace the cable. But then on the upside, it is adjustable. You can see there's a screw that allows you to slide the cable through and trim it, which is great. Fixed length rope can't do that, and that's a problem, because if you get the wrong size, you got to either send it back or give it away. That's no good. Okay, Shana's going to back up a little bit more. So there's your cable rope, but let's say you want to work on strength, and then you need something heavy, right? Something that's going to challenge your forearms, and to some degree your core and your shoulders. So this is our Beast heavy rope, which weighs about a pound. But there are other ropes from great companies like Cross Rope that weigh up to 3 pounds. So if you're a fighter, you know, a grappler, boxer, MMA, wrestler, you might want to jump with something like this. Now you won't be jumping as long, I can guarantee you that, but great way to build some extra strength. Okay, but let's say you want a system, right? You don't want just one rope. You want...
I was backtracking.
Oh, okay, we're backtracking. Shana's going to show you that this is also adjustable. Adjustable is going to be the word of the day. But let's say you want one rope with multiple handles. The Cross Rope is going to be your best choice because you have a set of handles, and this is the older version. And these are our buddies in North Carolina. This is the older version, which is a ½ pound. And the newer one's cool. You can just go to crossrope.com. You can release that handle, and then, we're not going to do this because it's going to take forever, and then you can hook that handle up to the other rope which Shana has around her neck, which is a £1/4 pound. And if you bought the heavy set, you could do the same thing with 1 pound and 2 pounds, and you know, if you got the space and if you have the money, because they're a little bit pricier, this might be the option for you. Okay, we'll put that one away and we will pick up the beginner's luck, which is a 6mm rope, and it has ball bearings. This is one of ours.
I added foam grips too.
Yep, foam grips are on this one. They may not be on the future ones, but adjustable, word of the day. And if you are a beginner and you are just starting to get your timing and your rhythm, this is a good choice. There you go. And Shana's going to back up a little bit. Perfect. So a little heftier, a little easier to sense the weight overhead. Real good choice for beginners. Now, last but not least, this is a long handle freestyle rope, and I think it might be 4mm. Is that correct?
Precisely.
All right.
4mm.
Shana says yes.
Thinner.
So 4mm, thinner, lighter.
Original magic rope.
Oh, cool.
Also
I think this
adjustable.
one may be from Canada, if I'm not mistaken. But it's red, white, and blue now. So this is a great choice for crossing, for tricks, and you'll see a lot of professional jumpers use a rope like this. Also not particularly expensive. Kind of interesting, right? Some of the best jumpers in the world use less expensive ropes. All right. So again, choice in rope comes down to many, many factors. Surface you're jumping on, the purpose of your jumping session, your skill level, and budget. Those are 4 big ones. I hope I didn't leave anything out. Again,
in your suitcase or not.
but thanks so much for joining us, guys. I hope that was helpful. If you thought it was, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can visit us at punkrope.com. All right. Thanks again, and we will see you next time.